Hello friends, everybody, welcome to my new update video. Here in equation we have to find out the value of x. Let's go start. We can write x and x plus 6 such as bracket close and x plus 2 and x plus 4 bracket close is equal to 9. Then multiplying this x square plus 6x and x square plus 4x plus 2x and 2 and 4 time is 8, okay, is equal to 9. Then we can write x square plus 6x and x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 9. Then here x square plus 6x and x square plus 6x is common, so let x square plus 6x is equal to a. Then we can write a and a plus 8 is equal to 9. Then we multiply this a square 8a is equal to 9. We transform 9 from right side to left side. A square plus 8a minus 9 is equal to 0. Then we factorize this. We can write 9 is as 8 and 1, or is 9 and 1. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So we can write 9a minus a is equal to 8a. Okay, so we can write a square 9a minus a minus 9 is equal to 0. Here a square plus 9a, this part a is common, so a plus 9 minus 1, a plus 9 is equal to 0. And here a plus 9 and a plus 9 is common. A minus 1 is equal to 0. And we know a b is equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. According this formula, we can write a plus 9 is equal to 0 or a minus 1 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to minus 9 or a is equal to 1. We putting the value of a square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Here we can write x plus 3 all square is equal to 0. Square root of this both side, square and root cancel. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. Again we get from a is equal to 1. X square plus 6x is equal to 1. X square plus 6x minus 1 is equal to x is equal to minus 6 plus minus root over plus minus root over, and here is minus 1, so here is minus 1 is plus. So here is 40 by 2. 40 by 2. Then we can write minus 6 plus minus root over plus minus 6 root over 4 into 10 by 2 minus 6 plus minus 2 root 10 by 2 is equal to 2 common minus 3 plus minus root 10 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, so we can write minus 3 plus minus root 10 plus minus root 10. Okay, and check for x equal to minus 3. We can write here as minus 3 and minus 3 plus 2 and minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Or here is minus 3 into minus 1 into 1 plus 3 is equal to into times 3 equal to 9 into 9. Okay, so the value of x is equal to 3 and x1 and x2 is equal to minus 3 plus root 10 and x3 is minus 3 minus root 10. Okay, everybody please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. Okay, thank you.